In this video, learn how you can connect your Wi-Fi based on time in your Windows 11 machine, so that when you set the time, when the time is up, the Wi-Fi will be on. So let's begin. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. In these video tutorials, I'll show you how you can connect your Wi-Fi network to your Windows 11 machine based on time or schedule. So let's begin. So on your Windows 11, on the taskbar, click on the group icon, then select Wi-Fi connection. Here you choose the day or time that you want the Wi-Fi or the wireless connection connect to your Windows 11 machine. So here you can choose to set the Wi-Fi to be up in an hour time, or you can set it to be in 2 hours time, or you can set it to be in a day. After that, you enable. When you enable it, when the time reach or the day is up, the Wi-Fi will be connected to your Windows 11 machine. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video.